congratulations and welcome to all of you belonging to the plus 2 second year political science. I greet you on behalf of me as well as on behalf of my channel. In the previous class, I taught about the necessary conditions for the successful working of democracy. But in my today's class, I have taken a new topic strictly according to the syllabus of the plus 2 council second year. That topic is, what are the important merits or advantages or utilities or significance of democracy. Let us start discussion on this particular topic, first of all in Odia language. गणतंत्रर सुगुण बा उपादेयता बा गुरुत्व गुड़िक संबंध मैं प्रथम आलोचना करने को चाहूँगी। यार केते गोटी प्रमुख गुरुत्व बा उपादेयता उपरे मैं आलोकपात करुँची। प्रथमतः व्यक्ति स्वतंत्रतार सुरक्षा, द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल लिबर्टी गणतंत्र माध्यम समाहित होता है। गणतंत्र प्रत्येक व्यक्तिर व्यक्तित्वर पूर्ण विकास निमंते स्वतंत्रता बा लिबर्टी प्रदान करिथाए और सेगुड़िकर सुरक्षा प्रदान करे। स्वाधीन भावे चिंता और मतव्यक्त करिबा, मुक्त संवादपत्र प्रतिष्ठा करिबा, संघ गठन करिबा, मुक्त भावे बा स्वाधीन भावे भ्रमण करिबा, निज पसंद अनुଯାयी वाणिज्य व्यवसाय करिबा, धर्म ग्रहण और धर्म पालन करिबा इत्यादि स्वतंत्रता केवल गणतांत्रिक राष्ट्र मानकर उपलब्धि होता है और मुख्यतः परिलक्षित होता है। गणतंत्र व्यक्तिर व्यक्तित्व और सम्मान पर अधिक गुरुत्व आरोप करिता है। द्वितीयतः गणतंत्र रे प्रत्येक व्यक्ति आईन दृष्टि समान। गणतंत्र राष्ट्र व सरकार समस्त को समान दृष्टि देखि थाए। आईन समस्त को समान व्यवहार और उचित न्याय प्रदान करे। राष्ट्र प्रदत्त अधिकार को समस्ते समान भावे उपभोग करिथांती। गणतंत्र तृतीय उपादेयता हेउची गणतंत्र दायित्व संपन्न सरकार प्रतिष्ठा करिथाए। गणतंत्र रे जनप्रिय सामयिक और नियमित निर्वाचन माध्यम एवं शांतिपूर्ण और सांविधानिक उपाय सर्वदा क्षमता हस्तांतर होता है। चतुर्थतः गणतंत्र व्यापक भावे राजनैतिक शिक्षा बा पॉलिटिकल एजुकेशन प्रदान करिता है। राजनैतिक शिक्षा माध्यम प्रत्येक व्यक्तिर राजनैतिक सचेतनता बा पॉलिटिकल अवेयरनेस अधिकरू अधिक वृद्धि पाई थाए और समृद्ध होता है। गणतंत्र पंचम उपादेयता हेउची गणतंत्र माध्यम देशप्रेम बा पैट्रियोटिज्म और जातीय चरित्र बा नेशनल कैरेक्टर गठन पाई पथ उन्मुक्त और सुगम होता है। एही प्रकार शासन व्यवस्था रे जनसाधारण गर्व, गौरव, दायित्व और कर्तव्यबोध अनुभव करिथांती। यह जनसाधारण को नैतिकता, सच्चोटता, आत्मनिर्भरशीलता, साहस और परिश्रम निमंते प्रेरणा जोगाई थाए। गणतंत्र षष्ठ उपादेयता बा गुरुत्व हेउची गणतांत्रिक शासन व्यवस्था रे सरकार जनतार इच्छा अनुଯାयी क्षमता प्राप्त हुए किंबा सरकार मध्य परिवर्तित होता है। यह शांतिपूर्ण और सांविधानिक उपाय होता है। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति और गोष्ठी को निजर मत, इच्छा और असंतोष व्यक्त करिवार सुजोग दिया जाए। सरकार आलोचना ଓ ପ୍ରବର୍ତ୍ତନା ବା ପରସୁଏସନ୍ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ପରିଚାଳିତ ହୋଇଥାଏ ଓ ସରକାରର କୌଣସି ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ଜୋର ଜବରଦସ୍ତ କାହାରି ଉପରେ ଲଦି ଦିଆଯାଏ ନାହିଁ। ଗଣତାନ୍ତ୍ରିକ ଶାସନ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥାର ସପ୍ତମ ଉପାଦେୟତା ହେଉଛି ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ର ସଂଖ୍ୟାଗରିଷ୍ଠ ମତ ବା ମେଜରିଟି ଓପିନିଅନ୍ ଉପରେ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠିତ ସରକାର ହେଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଠାରେ ସଂଖ୍ୟାଲଘୁମାନଙ୍କର ମତାମତକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସମ୍ମାନ ଦିଆଯାଇଥାଏ। ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରର ସମ୍ବିଧାନ, ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରର ଆଇନ, ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରର ମୌଳିକ ଅଧିକାର ଓ ନ୍ୟାୟପାଳିକା ମଧ୍ୟ ସଂଖ୍ୟାଲଘୁ ସମ୍ପ୍ରଦାୟର ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ସଦାସର୍ବଦା ସୁରକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଥାନ୍ତି। ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ରର ଅଷ୍ଟମ ଉପାଦେୟତା ବା ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ହେଉଛି ଗଣତାନ୍ତ୍ରିକ ଶାସନ ଆଇନର ଶାସନ ବା କନସେପ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ରୁଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଲ ଉପରେ ଆଧାରିତ। ଏଠାରେ କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ଇଚ୍ଛାରେ ଶାସନ ଚାଲିନଥାଏ। ଆଇନର ଆଖିରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସମାନ, ଆଇନର ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱରେ କେହି ନୁହନ୍ତି। ଉଚ୍ଚ ପଦପଦବୀ କିମ୍ବା କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାରର ପ୍ରଭାବ ବଳରେ କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଆଇନକୁ ହାତକୁ ନେଇପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ। ଏବଂ ଏହି ଗଣତାନ୍ତ୍ରିକ ଶାସନର ନବମ ଉପାଦେୟତା ହେଉଛି ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ର ଶାସନ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଆତ୍ମନିର୍ଭରଶୀଳତା ଶିଖାଇଥାଏ ଏବଂ ଏହା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଆତ୍ମନିର୍ଭରଶୀଳ କରାଇଥାଏ ଓ କରିଥାଏ ମଧ୍ୟ। ଆଦର୍ଶବାଦୀ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରାର ଅଭିବୃଦ୍ଧି ପାଇଁ ଏହା ବିଶେଷ ସହାୟକ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ତିମ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟାୟରେ ଏହାର ଉପାଦେୟତା ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ ଅନ୍ତିମ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟାୟରେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କହିବି। ସର୍ବଶେଷରେ ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ର ଜନସାଧାରଣଙ୍କର ଶାସନ ଅଟେ। ଏହା ଏକ ଜନପ୍ରିୟ ଶାସନ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଅଟେ। ଏହା ଜନସାଧାରଣଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠିତ ଶାସନ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଅଟେ। ଏହା ଜନସାଧାରଣଙ୍କୁ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ମର୍ଯ୍ୟାଦା ଓ ସମ୍ମାନ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ କରିଥାଏ। After discussing about the important points relating to the merits of democracy or utilities of democracy, I start discussion regarding the merits of democracy in English language. Democracy is now universally regarded as an ideal system of government. It is considered as the best instrument for promoting the welfare and securing the all-round development of the people. We can describe the following important merits of democracy one after the another. Firstly, democracy safeguards the interest of all the people, particularly the interest of the common man or common individual in the society. It is a government which works for the welfare of all. Secondly, democracy is a responsible government. It provides for a transparent, responsible and accountable government. Thirdly, democratic government is always a stable government. A democratic government is very stable since it enjoys the support of public opinion. Fourthly, a democratic leadership alone can act decisively because it is backed by a high level of popular support. Fifthly, democracy inculcates a sense of belonging and patriotism among the people because in it they willingly participate in the organization and functioning of their government. It guarantees self-rule of the people. I would like to point out the sixth merit of democracy. That point is, democracy is the best means for removing inequalities, for securing equality and justice, as well as for protecting the rights and freedom of the people. It also provides political education. Democracy is the best means for political education of the masses. As John Stuart Mill once upon a time commented that democracy is the best means of self-education. Next point is regarding the merit of democracy. Democratic government is a popularly elected government. It can be changed by the people through peaceful and constitutional means, that means election. Hence, there is little possibility of a revolution. Next point relating to the merits of democracy, that is by providing proper political education and training to the people and by maintaining a system of fundamental rights and freedoms of the people, democracy always helps its people to become good human beings as well as good citizens. Democracy is the best school for producing best citizens. The next point regarding the merit of democracy is that in a democratic setup, policies and decisions are always based on public opinion. Democracy involves the maintenance of direct and active contacts between the people and their rulers. It helps the formulation of such policies and decisions as are needed and demanded by the people. Democracy is the best guarantee against arbitrary rule. The people are in a position to maintain an active and continuous control over the power holders. It is widely believed and rightly so that better progress in science, art and literature is possible in a democracy. In contemporary times, democracy is regarded not as a way of life but as the way of life. Democracy and liberalism have now emerged as universally acclaimed values. Democracy is regarded as the best form of government. In recent years, its popularity has increased by leaps and bounds. We fully agree with James Bryce that it is the best system of government. The levels of development secured by democratic countries tend to prove it. People all over the world want a government which can work for promoting the interest and welfare of all the people, and democracy alone qualifies to be accepted as such a system of government. Professor Dr. Garner also observes popular elections, popular control and popular responsibility, all features of a democracy, are more likely to ensure the degree of efficiency than any other system of government. I discuss the important points relating to the merits or utilities or significance of a democratic setup. गणतंत्र प्रमुख सुगुण बा उपादेयता बा गुरुत्व गुड़िक को विस्तृत भाव आलोचना कर सारिबा परे मु मोर आजिर क्लास को अंत करने को जाऊँगी। जदि तुम्हें माने ए भिडियोटी पसंद करुथा तेरे भिडियोटी को लाइक और शेयर करिवो। इन एडिशन टू दैट ए चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करी पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन को प्रेस करी ऑल नोटिफिकेशन ने सेट करिवो। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। हैव ए नाइस डे।